Some of my friends are user of Windows 10 or 11 and they are too much worried about their system's speed. They complain the system is lagging and not getting better FPS in gaming. You may have the same experience, and this problem can solve very easily. Let's see a simple solution to this problem. Today in this video, we are going to boost the processor and make the computer performance faster. So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Content Creator Pro, and I am Azza with you to show some tips and tricks to simplifying your current technology related problem. So let's start the tips. Just do a right click on the start icon and click on Run. Now here we need to types config. Click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will find System Configuration where you will have General Boot Services, Startup, and Tools. So we will go to Boot Up section, and here you have your current OS installed, the default OS. And look for Advanced option. So once you click on Advanced option, you will find Boot Advanced option, and here you will find number of processors, PCI lock debug. So if it's unchecked, then do a check mark, and click here, and here you can click the maximum. And then click on OK. Click on Apply and click on OK. Now the second step which we need to do. Click on the search, and type power, and here you need to click on power and sleep settings. Now once we are in power, at the top right corner, you will find additional power settings. Here you will find choose your customize a power plan. So at the right hand side you will find change plan settings and power saver. So you can click anywhere change plan settings. And here you will find change advanced power settings. So once you click on that, a new window will appear like this. So here guys, you need to check high performance here. So if you have ultra performance, high performance, or even balanced, please make sure you select one of three, either balance, or high performance, or ultra high performance. And then I will scroll it down and look for processor power management. Now here we need to click on this plus icon. And here you will find minimum processor state. So once you click on that, it should be at the 0. So if it's a different value, make sure you just type 0 and click here. And the system cooling policy should be active. And the maximum processor state should be 100. Once you have done that, just click on Apply and OK. Once this is done, we are going to do a last step, and then you just need to restart the computer, and then check the difference, check the speed of your computer. So, I'll just close it. I'll just do a right click on the task, or the start button, and I'll click on Task Manager. Now once the Task Manager is open, I'll go to the Startup tab, and here, I'll cautiously look for all unwanted applications. So just look for all unwanted applications and just do a right click and disable. So disabling from startup doesn't mean you will not be able to use those applications. You will be able to use it. It just, whenever you will open the computer, turn on the computer, it will not automatically turn it on. So I don't have too many applications here, but in your case you might have many applications at the startup. So just check one by one, and make sure you do not disable your security, or graphic card, or Intel services. If you do not know something about it, you can search it. I know what exactly Cortana is and I do not want at the startup, so I just disabled it, right? So once you do that, restart the computer and let me know how exactly the difference. Please let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. Please do like, comments and share on this video, and subscribe the channel if you get benefits from this video. Thanks for watching.